Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, and the topic for today's video is window handle. Today in this video we will learn how Selenium WebDriver can handle different windows. And as usual I have done the coding for our init method, but today here I have I'm not going to use testng. I have created all the coding in the main method, so that's how also we can use the coding here. So it's very simple. So let's get started. And first I will use this URL for yahoo.com to show you how to switch between different windows and how to handle them. So here it is the URL, and if we type something here, let's say we typing XPath over here and we want to search something, so it will take us to another link, right? And here let's say we want to click on this link, XPath tutorial, and if I'll click here, then it will take us to another window. So this is like window 1, we can say window 1, window 2. These different windows have some specific IDs for each time when we are using Selenium WebDriver, or when we are opening directly in Chrome also. So what we need to do is we have to learn how we will gonna handle these. If we open one more window, then there will be one more window there, and it will also have the different ID, that is we can say the instance ID for this specific window. So let's learn how we can handle these different windows by using Selenium WebDriver. So let's say for this window, first of all, because this is the let me copy the link again and let me paste it there, so that we will be having a fresh window. Let's copy it and I will just delete it here and we'll paste that link here. So this is the fresh window where we will gonna work. Let's say Control Shift and C, and what we want to find out the XPath for this column. So let's click here and we can just copy the XPath. Copy XPath, and what we need to do is we just simply can say driver dot find element by dot XPath, and then we need to put the XPath here. And what we need to do, we need to send keys there. Let's say we want to pass XPath over there. So if we want to pass XPath, then this will be the coding done for send keys of that particular column. And now next is let's find out the XPath for this search button. Let's copy XPath, and now we will be doing driver dot find element by dot XPath, and then what we need to do is we will paste the XPath here, and then what we need to do, we need to click it. Let's use the click method, and then let's say what we want to get that ID for that particular window. So we can say driver dot get driver dot one second, driver dot window handle is simply driver dot get window handle or window handles. Yeah, here we do have this is here driver dot get window handle or driver dot get window handles. So here it is a string, and the return type will be string, and here in the window handles the return type will be set of the string. So first let's start with the window handle. So if we select this one, and we just simply can save it in a string type string, and let's say we do have handle. Let's say for window 1 the handle name is handle1, and now next we want to just get the window ID. So what can we do, we just can simply say take that handle1. So let's save our code and execute it so that we can get the ID of this particular window. So it's already completed, we just simply can close it, and we get the ID of that particular window. So this is the ID. At the end you can see DEDO, DED0. So this is the ID of that particular window. So next what we want, as what we did, we just search for the XPath here, and let's say now we want to click on this link. If we want to click on this link, let's find out the XPath for this link. Copy XPath, and what can we do? We simply can do driver dot find element by dot XPath, paste here the XPath and dot click. So sometimes if we pay for any specific link, if we paste the XPath like that, it can work, but sometimes it doesn't work. So let's see first if it will work or not. If we just simply run it, oh, it has worked. So it's already completed and it has worked over here, so we just simply can close it. So it has created the ID and it is successfully done. So now what we need to do, let's go, and here we can simply say driver dot get window handle, this one again, and let's say we want to save it into string handle 2. Let's copy from here and just say that it is handle 2. And what we want to do, let's say again we want to do to print this handle 2, means we want to get the ID for the second window. Let's see if we can get the ID for the second window or not. So if we execute our code like that, so it has already started and it should click on this link also. Let's see if it will click or not. What we need to do, just executing. It was executing but it didn't click. The XPath tutorial, is it clicked or not? No, it didn't click, and it is showing us the error that no such element exception because of this link, because I already told that it sometimes it can work and sometimes it cannot work for the specifically for this kind of links. So what we need to do is, let's say instead of putting that, we simply use the contain method here. Let's go to this link. What we can do, we simply can copy this link, just copy the text of this link. Let's say Control C, and here we can do Control. Okay, what is there? No need, we just using Control F. So what we need to do, we simply can take, there was A, I think the tag was A. Oh yeah, the tag was A. We need A and then square bracket, and we can use contains. This is the contains is a method, and inside that we need to use text method, and we need to put the value for what? Value for that text, that link. So it is 101. Then we can take it. We just copy from here and we can paste it here. So with this method now it should work well. With this XPath it should work well with the contains. It will not fail any time. I hope so. So let's cross the fingers and see while executing if our code will work for that or not. So it has gone there, it has executed and have opened the desired window. Let's see if it is working or not right now. Oh, it didn't work again. What's wrong? Let's see what's wrong there. Okay, sorry, because we have pasted it and we didn't check that it was wrong there. I think it should not fail, but let's execute it again. Yeah, it has passed, right? It has passed and it has stopped also. So let's close this. When we closed it, so you can see that there are two IDs, but both the IDs are same, BBD2D and BBD2D. So both are same. It means that our driver, though it has opened a new web page, but it is still on the first window. So what we want to switch it to the another window. If there are two windows, we want to switch it to the another window. So how to handle that and how to do that, how we can take that to the another window, that we have to do here. So what we can do, we simply can use the set. Let's say I just delete this here, and instead of string, if we take set of string, set, and what we need to do, set of string, and instead of handle 2 we just say handles, and here instead of get window handle we need to say window handles. Then let's import this set from here, and then what we just want to see, so this handles. So let's execute our code. First save it and let's execute, and let's see if it will print two windows or not. So it has executed the code. Now what we need to do is we have to yeah, it has completed, so we can just manually close it and close it, and we can see here it has given us two different windows. The first window that it has given us is the same. Here you can see E8, EAE8, these are same because one it is printing here handle 1, and here in the second one for the window handles it is printing both the windows, so it is printing us both the windows. Now it has given us two different IDs for both the windows, but it is still on it is still on the first window. So how to switch it to the another window? If we want to switch it to another window, we can use for each loop. So for each loop, the syntax will be like that. We just simply can use colon over here, oh, one second, colon, and then because it is a set of string, we do not need to print these handles here, so we can simply delete this. And here what we need to do is we can give string, and because string let's say we want to save that to I, and here we need to give the handles. Then what we just simply want to sysO I, we can say, if we want to just simply print each and every window there. So let's first execute this and see what result it will give us, then we can go forward. Okay, so it has executed, and when it has stopped also, so manually close it. Let's close it. So it has given us both the windows. The first one is coming from the first handle one. Let's comment this out so that it will not give us again this line of statement we do not need. So what can we do? We just simply can comment this out, so we do not need it. And here it has given us first window and second window, that is coming from this for each loop. So now let's say we want this driver to switch to second window. So how can we check that on which window it is? Simply what can we do? We can just driver dot switch to. Before that, let's check out by using the get title, driver dot get title method. If we use the driver dot get title, what we need to do is we will do the sysO. So let's say we will do just CISO, and we can just paste that method here, driver.getTitle. And if we save and execute this, right now we are saying that our driver is on the first Yahoo search page. It should be on the Yahoo search page, but still let's execute it and see where it is actually. So our code has been executed, and what result it is giving us, we have to check that. Minimize it. Okay, this has given us Yahoo search result. So it means that our driver is on the first window. And now what we want to switch our driver to the next window, because there are two windows only. So if we want to switch it to another one, what can we do? We just simply can say driver dot switch to window, driver dot switch to dot window. It will be like that. So let's take this, and here window is represented by this I. So final I will be the second window. So we can simply take I here, and if we taking I there, now this time it should not give us Yahoo search result. It should give us the another one, this XPath tutorial. So it should have given us the XPath tutorial in this CISO print. So let's save it, and if we execute it from here, run as Java application, now this time our result must be different. So it has stopped already. So what can we do? We just simply close it. So it has given us the XPath tutorial. The first window is DD5, second window is 771, and now it has given us the XPath tutorial from the second window. So thus how, by using where the code is this driver dot get window handle, we can handle one window, but if we want to handle multiple window, then we need to take the advantage of the set string, that is driver dot get window handles, and by using the for each loop we can switch our driver from one window to another window, whichever window we want, we can simply give this here. Or if we give if we want to change our window, we just can simply choose this one differently. And here by using the method get title, we simply can print out the window title, so that we can simply, it's a kind of assertion also, that we can just simply make sure that where our driver has gone. So this was the smallest part that I wanted to cover in this video for handling the window. So I hope you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.